How to add PayPal to TikTok account. So first things first, of course, open our TikTok over here and click on our profile. Over here, click on the three lines over here on the top right, or like the hamburger icon. And over here, simply click on balance. The balance will show you how much coins you have and how much live rewards you currently have on your TikTok account. Simply select live rewards over here. And over here, this is where you will be able to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. For me, unfortunately, I don't have any money inside of our live rewards. But the next step after this is to simply enter the amount, click on withdraw, and then there will be a screen that will ask you to add a new payment method. You will then choose the region and then select PayPal as your payment option or your payment method and link your PayPal account. Through that, you will then be able to add PayPal to your TikTok account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.